Hi, my name is Lisa. I am a wellness specialist. I'd like to share some great information about a fantastic product that I've just discovered. It's called Bitter Leaf Tea. Natural Herbal Bitter Leaf Tea, digestive support and whole body wellness. Discover the power of pure herbs with our natural herbal bitter leaf tea, made in the USA and crafted to help you feel your best from the inside out. Each box contains 15 premium tea bags, carefully blended with seedling bitter leaf, a time-honored herbal remedy known to support healthy digestion and cleanse the digestive tract. Lemon lemongrass, naturally refreshing and rich in antioxidants to help promote internal balance. Herb peppermint leaves, soothing and cooling, known to aid digestion and calm the stomach. Together, these antioxidant-rich ingredients work to stimulate healthy digestion, support gentle detoxification, and promote a feeling of balance and well-being. Sparkles White Choose Our Bitter Leaf Tea. Checkmark supports healthy digestion and natural cleansing. Checkmark 100% natural and herbal, nothing artificial. Checkmark made in the USA for quality and purity you can trust. Checkmark guaranteed transparency. What's on the label is exactly what's in your cup. Green Heart, your daily ritual for digestive comfort and wellness. Enjoy a warm, soothing cup after meals or anytime your body needs a natural boost. With every sip, you're nourishing your system with trusted herbs that have supported health for generations. To order this amazing product, visit www.natureherballife.com or call 1-888-791-1119.